Hey guys, gonna show you how to port SFM models and GMOD models into VRChat, but you're gonna be needing a lot of stuff. First is Steam CMD. Just click on this, download it, and click on this link. It'll download a zip file, just extract it. This one is optional. It helps preview 3D models. Just download it, then extract. For GMOD models, you need GW tool. Just download it. You also need VTF edit for the textures. Just download the installer. You will also need crowbar source. Sorry, it's the Steam link. Just click on download. Then you'll also need Cat's Blender plugin, the one by Team Neo Nico. Just download the zip, and don't extract. You'll also need Blender source tools. Oops. Yeah, you'll also need Blender, of course. You'll need 4.2, and also, like I mentioned earlier, Blender source tools. And don't extract the Blender source tools. You also need MMD tools for Blender by this one right here. Just the latest release. Depending when you're watching this, it might be a different Blender version. So just, I don't know, download the version it's asking for. Then you want to go to this link. I'll leave it in the description. If this doesn't work, you can also go to steamworkshop.download, but this is outdated. So you find your model for source Filmmaker, paste it here, and it's going to give you this link to download, which is a zip file. For GMOD it's going to be a bit different. If you paste the link, you'll get this prompt. Click yes, and then copy, and then go to where you downloaded CMD and open the exe. Then type login anonymous, then enter, and then paste it, and just wait for it to say success. The GMOD file will download here. And then just open GW tool exe and drag it here. Oops. Drag it here. Then create a new folder. Just delete the GMA. Drag it to your downloads, and there you go. That's for GMOD. Process I'm gonna show now is the exact same what you would be doing for GMOD. SFM and GMOD is the same. The only difference was the GW tool thing. But now you should have this folder. This is the SFM file. I extracted it to the downloads, and I got models and materials. I delete the zip file, and I drag the stuff I got to a new folder, and I just named it after the model. Open the materials folder and look for anything that's a VTF file. Tools, convert folder. Oops. Select materials. Select materials, and then click convert. It'll be done when the bar is full and it says exiting. You can close that and delete all of the VTF files. So it's more easier. Then we're just going to name this folder textures, cut, paste it here, delete materials, open the models folder, before you see the list of models, I renamed the folder to model, and I'm going to paste it here, delete models, so I don't have to keep going and opening folders all the time. Next we want to open Crowbar. Click here, Control C, Control V, and you might see a bunch of stuff. What we can do for this is Noasis. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 different models. I guess we're gonna go with the one with no AO. So drag the MDO to get this kind of view. Right click, view and details. And then you'll see the MDO file. Drag it to the MDO input, decompile. You'll know it's done when all of these are covered again. Close this. Open Blender 4.2. File import. And then at the very bottom where it says source engine. To get these, you need to click on edit, preferences, drop this down, install from disk. Then one by one you're gonna select the Cat's Blender plugin, MMD tools, and source tools. The zip files, don't extract them. Like just click on the zip and then install from disk. Then it should take you here and just make sure it's checked. Yeah, Blender source tools, MMD tools, and unofficial Cat's Blender plugin. Close that. Click on the scene, press A, delete, file, import, QC, and look for the QC file. So sometimes your model might have different body groups. So let's say if I hide these, like you can see they're both the same but a different style. We have to choose one and then delete it. Like delete the other one which we don't want. So we're gonna keep the normal body and as well as the normal wings. God damn, how many bones does he have in the face? What the fuck? Yeah, once you're done selecting which ones you want, delete the grid ones out. So like how I did this was I just clicked on the eyeball of the collection. So just select all the ones we don't want, press the delete key, and if you have something where it says like physics or PHY, you want to delete that. Click on the skeleton, click on this arrow, MMD tools, convert model, okay. File, export, PMX, and name it. We're just gonna make a new file since we're gonna come back. Next you want to open PMX editor, which is this DeviantArt link. I would choose the MediaFire link, just download it and extract. Then file import and look for the PMX file, click on new, okay. You're not gonna see it. So what you have to do is edit, plugin, user, system, size change tool. I'm just gonna make it 0.5 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. And he's really big. Pause. Select the materials. We clicked on materials. I clicked on the first one. I held shift on the keyboard and held down until I selected all of them. Diffuse white, specular black, ambient white. File, save as, and overwrite the old BMX. In Blender, click on the arrow again, cats, import model. Select the PMX, MMD tools, fix MMD. So, I didn't get a warning. Usually, once you click this, there is a chance it's gonna say warning and missing bones. Even if your avatar still has bones, they're just named incorrectly. You have to name them yourself, like rename them. But if you don't want to do that, then your model is just not gonna work. I don't do that. Like, I just give up and look for another model. Fix materials, other options, translate all, vises. If it has a mouth, you can click on this and select. And then eyes, if it has eyes. This one doesn't have eye bones, so we're not gonna do that. So once you're done, go back up, export model, click on export model again, and then just name it the model, and OK. And we're pretty much done with Blender. Once you're in Unity, you want to click on the VRChat SDK, show control panel, oops, then just log in. Then you want to drag in Devilman, or sorry, the fucking folder that you made. Then you want to look for the model, change the rig type to humanoid, and drag the FBX to the main folder so I don't need this. Click on the FBX, materials, lock it, textures. Now these are gonna have names, just look for them somewhere here. Click on it, rename, and make a new material, and Control V. Then you can drag it here. We're gonna do that to the ones that we need. What I did was hover over the name, and it will show preview of the title. Then just drag the materials to its corresponding place. Don't need that anymore. Drag the textures to the albedo. And then you can drag your FBX into the scene. That's what it looks like. Add a component, VRChat or descriptor, drag the white sphere right behind the eyes. If it has eye bones and lip sync, click on lip sync, auto detect, and make this a, yeah. But since we don't have that, we're just gonna disable it again. Same with eye look, select the eye bones, and then preview, rotate it to how it's supposed to look, then return. But since we don't have eyes, we're gonna disable it. If you want to make it look better, you need shaders. Just search Poyomi Toon Unity VRChat. Then, once you import the Unity package, select the materials, click on Standard Poyomi Toon. There you go. This is your avatar. If you do have visemes, like lip sync, go to the FBX's rig, configure. Sometimes the chest is gonna change spots with the spine. Just click on this and then look for the chest or spine and put them back. Everything else looks good. But yeah, for the visemes, you want to disable the jawbone, then apply. Hands look fine. Just click apply, done. And there you go, that's your avatar. You can name it, give a description. For the description, look at the description. Model by this guy. SFM port by this guy. No, wait, that's a commission. This guy. Please credit the models makers, because without them you wouldn't have the avatar. Capture. Yeah, there's autofix, 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 autofix. Online publishing and upload. It's not gonna upload because I have the builder on Android. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. See you.